bad.
It's a good start.
Wow, that's a nice sound.
Be careful. Now the one thing you got to do, you got to do a good two. Two is really important. You got to have a good plan so you can balance and do a lot of things. Okay, that's important. All right. Because sometimes like you're getting here, see right there. You want to be right here on the ground, nice level. All right. I'm confused being left-handed. I got to think that right.
I was wondering.
Start off. It's too big of a step. Little step. Keep it really simple. Start over. Now the one thing, put your feet together. Together. Very good. Now start from there. 1, 2, 3. Not a point. That's very good. Now the next stage is important to me that he gets comfortable with the wind up.
Right.
And the one thing you know, even at 8 years old, you get this where you drop that knee. You really don't have to. You stay nice and tall. You know how tall mine is? Mine doesn't bend. Tall.
Ah.
So you did. What did you do wrong?
We need to
You're in trouble now. They're looking for you. That's the pull. What'd you do? You don't scare him. All right, Andrew, here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, good. Again. Now the next step, what we're going to do, okay, well, I'll show you what we're going to do, and you can try it. Okay, this is going to take a little time. All right? Now, when we're playing catch, we're getting here, aren't we? This is how this goes. Okay, we go 1, right? When this knee comes up, knees go up.
Oof.
When the knee comes up, this go up. It's not bad for you first. I feel pretty weird. It's because you did it right. Because you're not used to go, but it's perfect. And get together. Still pretty good extension. And you see what I mean?
Yeah, he's not.
Nice to it. When you've never done this, okay? But like I see, the great thing about this is you can do it at home, practice in the house, out of the rain, watching TV, and practice your wind-up anywhere you want. Because you got to get comfortable with all this. Let's see what this is, because all my weight's on my back foot, right? And you can do this all day long, and then you finish, right? Try it. You can go down into there. Sure. Boy, let's do the whole thing now. What is this? I'm jumping out. Couple of a lot of strikes, huh? You're doing well. You're doing really well. Well. Now wait a minute.
Come on, you can. And what do you think? So far, so good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You having a good time?
Yeah.
All right, you're learning a lot, right?
Good job. Now we'll hang out where the bullpen hangs out for a minute.
Oh, that's right. We are in the bullpen.
Well, see, they probably put a TV in here where the guys can actually watch the game. You know.
Are they doing that?
Huh?
This just doesn't rock. Look at my Nintendo. Oh, what?
All right. Andrew, over here. Coach,
What?
just need to coach.
That did. We cover them out? Yeah. Just throw a tarp on them for just a minute.
This is so cool.
This is awesome. Look at this.
What?
This is where the bullpen hangs out. Remember? They come in here when the rain starts raining. Or they just hang out over here.
The dodge the ball for another hour. cheating on me. Very good. One, two, three. Very good. Good. Also, always keep some of the personality, and if he wants to dip a little bit right down, let him.
Yeah.
You know, he's looking good. He's really coming to you. Again, I mean, you can do this at home, and that's right. I'm gonna do 3 before you pitch. That was a week 3, man. 3. Well, yeah, there goes the rubber. One, 2. That's right. Good. You see what I mean? You gotta do 3 before you pitch. Don't worry about that. Good.
I want to do that.
Catch it on, boy. Fix the rubber. Good job. 1. Start over. Don't get all pigeon-toed. Straight back. There you go. Ah, boy. Good. See, the one thing also, I want you to look professional, Andrew. Okay? We gotta look like we know what we're doing. And that's part of it, right? I mean, the hitter doesn't know, man, but if you've got a good wind-up and you look like you know what you're doing, you're intimidating the hitter. Right? You really have. It's important we do this correctly. Okay, again. Start over. Straight back. Now, start over again. Okay? Now remember, you push your toes this way. See where I'm at?
So I tell my daughter.
There you go.
She pitches. I tell her never go, and I always look at the batter.
Yep.
As mean as you can.
Yep.
Sometimes you can smile and then knock them down.
Yeah.
Okay? That works just as good. You know?
And,
You smile. No! Oh,
my,
and then smile like this.
I don't think that would work with my daughters.
I hear you. Oh, boy.
We tried it.
Nice go.
Dad, look at
Yeah, see, that's not a shocker. Those are dry. I gotta
Come here, Pat.